Please like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to press the bell button for notification of new videos. Thank you. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. Stay tuned for the video. Hello. For this section of the video, I will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of real versus artificial flowers. First, the advantages for real. It smells good and it looks real. The major disadvantage is that it doesn't last long. It will trigger your allergies, limited ideas to your displays, and you definitely have a limited selection due to the fact that it's seasonal. Now for the advantages of artificial flowers. The first advantage will be that it lasts a long time. It's not like the real ones where it dies right away. The second one is it won't trigger your allergies. The third and fourth one goes hand in hand, is you have unlimited selection and unlimited ideas. What I mean by that is, let's suppose you want to make a flower arrangement in the middle of winter when lilacs are not in bloom. Go online, get your flowers, you can actually make them, which means you have unlimited selection of whatever flowers you want to use and unlimited ideas. With the real flowers, you are actually limited to seasonal flowers. That's a big difference. The disadvantage of the artificial flowers is that they don't have any smell to them and they may not look real. But there are certain stores that you can get more realistic looking ones than others. Like for example, I go to Hobby Lobby when I want the most realistic looking. They're not as cheap as Walmart. Walmart will do in a pinch too. Stay tuned for how to actually combine different items. Now, for the fun stuff. I know what my table looks like, a Flora Junkie's table, basically. Now, when you're in a store and you don't have a clue what goes with what, just grab some stuff and put it together to see if you like the combination, okay? If you think that's good, then it works. Now, like for me, see, you just grab stuff, try it together. If you like it, it's good. If it don't, try something else. Now, the thing about that arrangement that I just showed you, that's actually 2 different seasons. These are out right now. They're the fall stuff. This is Christmas. This is my leftover Christmas. And this, I got near Christmas time, but it's still out all year. Now, if you want to do different seasons and you don't care what other people says, because you like the combination, you can do multiple seasons that not necessarily go together, like the lilacs and the poinsettias, 2 different seasons. But if you like it together, go for it. Now, if you're sticking to one season, like here's some leaves, and gotta have some berries, and trying to do this one-handed, it's not always easy, and a pumpkin. So I grabbed all of that together. You can do it like that, or if you don't like the pumpkin and you want a flower instead, well, I got some flowers. You can put flowers in it. If you don't like that flower, let me see, do I have any more? Yes, I got this color. So if you want to do some yellow with it, you can just hold it up in a store like that to see if you like it. If you don't have a clue to what you want and you just want to do all one thing, get yourself a nice big vase and just grab a lot of them, like these carnations. They'll look good in a vase by themselves. Let's suppose you want to do a spring one. I got some tulips over here. See my tulips? I got my lilacs. But what I'll do in between, if I want some snap to it, I'll get the gold in there. So just combine it. You can grab different stuff in the store to see what goes with what. I hope this is helpful to see actually what I do. If you don't like the combination, try some different flowers. And you can tell I have different season here. I have spring here. I have Christmas here. I have fall here. I even have these. They would look good too. Let me see. Let's suppose you want some snap with your leaves. That'll look good. Just grab stuff and try together. That's all you gotta do. And if you like it, that's all that matters. That's it for this video. Thank you. Please follow the channel for further information. Thank you.